Hello people, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali Singh and you're watching me on YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. Okay, so today I'm looking forward to make a nude makeup look, which is not basically a no makeup look but a nude makeup look, in which I will not put any blush on my face, but at the same time it will look like it will have a like brown undertone. So let's see how it turns out to be. Also a very special thanks to my dear friend Disha. Thank you for giving me this hair tie. Giving me क्या मैंने चुरा ली थी. So okay, so today I'll be using this Elegirl Pro Coverage Foundation and this Elegirl Pro Concealer. And also I would like to talk about these beauty sponges from Miniso. I would say these are the best, one of the best quality beauty blenders I've ever used. ये it comes in a set of 5, जो कि एक ये है और 4 ये है. काफ़ी डर्टी हो गया है, so let's not talk about this. Yes, so I'm done with my base makeup, and yeah, these beauty blenders, these retails for about 250 for 5, which is a good deal, which is a great deal, I would say. Moving on to this Fit Me compact, and oh god, just putting it all over my face to set my face. Not very much, just a little bit, because I'm a dry skin type and it's very easy to get cracks for dry skin people. Okay, so I'm just dabbing the compact with the damp beauty sponge on my face. Not going too much. On to contour, I'm using this Sugar Conceal Contour, the Force Face palette, and you know already. I'm taking this bronzer and bronzing my face. Making a 3 out of it so that it won't look like a harsh line on your this part, but at the same time it would look very clean and blended. Also, I don't know why people like fair tones. I mean, dusky tone is also good, and I appreciate my colors, which everyone should do. You know what I mean? These days people are like Black Lives Matter and in person, or like they back bitch like Mokala and all, which is like very disgusting thing you can ever hear from someone's mouth. It disgusts. Like, I want to my eyes, taking this Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette also, and taking this fluffy brush. I'm just going to take this brown face, and putting it on my crease. Am I visible? Also blend every time you do eyeshadow, blend in outward direction to give your eyes an elongated effect, so it doesn't look like square or oval or circle. You know what I mean? It looks elongated, right? I'm gonna grab this brown shade and just putting on my crease like this. As I told you, it's not a no makeup look, it's a nude makeup look, so we are doing that. Okay, so the the idea of doing this makeup look basically was actually my recent last video was a heavy makeup look, which is a bold makeup look, so I didn't wanted to do like same again, so that's why I thought why not do something neutral. I'm gonna take this black shade right here and just gonna use it as an eyeliner basically. Also, people out there who know how to do wing liners, please teach me how you guys do it, because I'm such a noob at it. I don't know. See what I did? It's horrible. Now again, I'm gonna take this brown shade. I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line to give this look a put together. Doesn't like to go like heavy or bold. You can go with this look. You can use it as party look too, as it's very neutral. Yeah, nude sort of a makeup. Don't know why, man, my skin is not behaving good right these days. I don't know why. But let's move on to brows. So please excuse my voice if it's too low, because I'm not doing voiceover, so sorry for that. Manage kar lo. अगर कम है voice तो please tell me, I'll do voiceover next time. Moving on with this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I don't personally prefer lashes, or I don't think that I need falsies to like make my makeup a complete makeup look. You know what I mean? I don't think it would make any difference. I mean, it does make a difference, but I don't think I need it as of now I don't like it. It makes my face like I don't know what to say. It just gives me a heavy feeling, you know, when I go for shoots and they put falsies on my eye, क्या बोलते हैं इसको on my upper lash line. I'm like are my eyes visible? I'm feeling very heavy. They were like, stop your tantrums. I'm gonna just highlight my inner corners of the eyes, taking this highlighter on a very what do I say, precise brush, and just putting on my inner corners of my eye. Also on the brown one, I'm just gonna bronze my fat ass forehead. Moving on to my lips, I'm taking this PAC lip pencil. It's in the shade mauve, and just lining my lips. Moving on to this Nykaa mini lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. Sorry, I usually shoot at night. I get bhuka. Then what? Then nothing I eat. I really don't think I should have put eyeliner. It's okay, but it's okay. Also, it's totally on you whether you like to put eyeliner on your this makeup look or not. I'm gonna go in with this palette, grab some bronzer. Also bronzing on my cheeks because we are not going with blush, right? So I'm not gonna go in with highlighter today because I don't think this nude makeup doesn't need highlighter.
And this is how the look turned out. Today is a bad hair day, so just wrap them up.
Okay guys, so this was the result of the look. I hope you guys like the video because I'm liking this look so much. And yes, subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Bye bye.